Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin working on today's target, which is like a capsule or something like that. So let's, as always, begin with giving the properties to the body, which are background, and the color is, I would simply paste it here. Now the second property is display. We won't do flex, we would be doing grid. Place items center. Then I would be okay. I'll first give the sizes and then I'll go for the class name giving process. So I would first change the color as I know that what the color is. So it's white. I think the width should be 300. Wait, not width. 290. No. 280. Yep, 280 is rather more accurate. And the height should be 300. Oh, not 3000. Even 300 is higher than required. Wait, let me first remove this pixels value. 200. No. 210. Okay, I need to decrease it. 190. 180. Yeah, 180 is the accurate value. Now we would be giving it some border radius. We have to give this value as per the height. So I will give 90 and you have to write pixels here. So you can see it is now more, you can say, of that capsule shape. Okay. Now the next thing we have to do is we have to create this, and I would prefer to go with a single line in the center. Like first of all, dot A. So let's try one thing. I'm not sure it will work out or not. Body, comma, dot A. Okay, so now the class name is A for the div, and now we would be making more classes. So let's copy it, paste. Now this is going to be B. So dot B. Now background color. Also, I'll just give that background color from the common property, which is with body. So comma dot B. Now next thing we can do is width, and the width would be, I think, 30 pixels, and the height would be same as that of the A div, which is 180. So is it? Yep, it had to be 30 only. So that was a good guess. Now the next div we will be making is this one. So I'll just in advance write it here. Dot C. And it is going to be here. Dot C. So it for now has only a color. Now what we have to do is we have to give it a width. I would just straight away minus 60 from the width, and 180 would also be minused. So 280 minus 60 is going to give us 220. So 220, 180 minus 60 would give us 120. Why hasn't it? Okay, maybe this is the problem. Okay, we also have to give it position absolute. Absolute. Okay, now we can see it. Now we also have to give it border radius. Because its border radius is going to be lesser than that of A, so we can't put it as the same one. So here it would be 60 pixels. You can see it is again exactly the same. Right now we would be making furthermore divs. I'll just, like, we know that most of the properties would be same, so we can even write them in advance just to show that you can build such projects in mind. I would be writing the properties in advance. So 30 pixels, the height would again be inherited from the C div, so it is going to be 120. And we do not need any other property here. Again, for now, D, position, absolute, and now the width is going to be further increased by 60, which would bring us to, like, the value would be 160. And the height is going to be 60. And the background color would be similar to A. So we, like, I'll first make the divs. So it is going to be inside the C div. So paste it. Ouch. So D div is here and here. E div. Okay, by mistake even wrote D here. It has to be E. Then I would be closing this one. Dot A comma dot D comma dot E. Now here dot C would be accompanied. Okay, I forgot to give the border radius settings. My bad. So border radius is going to be 30 pixels. And you can see it is an exact match. There are like slight differences, but those are negligible. So I'll submit it, and I'll also make, if any changes are visible to me that can be made to make the character count even lesser, because it's 600 for now. We can do this thing. Like, wait a minute. Dot C comma dot E. Ow. Okay, my bad. I gave it at the wrong place. Now it's perfect. Now also the heights are inherited at some occasions, so I would just do this back dot D comma dot C, so that I can even decrease this height, like the characters taken by height also here. So dot A comma dot B. So now I can go here and so I'll just again submit it because many changes have been made in it. So the score will increase, although it will remain a 100% match, as you can see. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.